beautiful, welcome to my channel, and today we are rocking this wrap like to get that. So if you have that leftover material, Ankara material that is up to a yard, you can just grab it and let us try something nice with. I hope you love what you're seeing, right? I hope you love the style. So if you love it, grab that material, grab and come closer. I want you to sit at the front seat so that you're not going to miss anything out of this tutorial. So come around, I'm going to be gentle. So let's get started. So first off, this material is a leftover material from one of my dress, and it's a yard opacon. Okay, it's a yard Ankara material. So if you have a yard, I think you should be able to try this style out. So the first thing is just to stretch out the material like this. Okay, I don't want to waste much of our time, so I'm going straight. I'm diving straight into the tutorial. You're going to stretch it out like this, and it has 4 angles. This is 1, 2, and we have the other 2 angles at the bottom part, right? So we're going to take from left here, then you pick the right at your down part of the material. I don't know if you can get me. These are the 2 up, right? So we're going to leave 1 from up, pick 1 from up, and pick 1 from down. That is facing each other. I'm picking left from here and right from the down parts. I don't know if I'm clear enough. So we're going to mash it together to form a T shape. So I want to take it from beginning. I would have not even show how to form this T shape stuff, but is it T of V shape, whichever shape you have. So we're going to have something like this. Can you see? So this is what you should have if you are done mashing up the 2 angles. Put it on your head like this. You're putting it on your head like this. So this one should be here. Okay, so let me show you how it is at the back, right? So we're coming like this. Okay, so this is what I have right here now. And so after knotting at the back, we should have 3 beautiful flaps like this. So I'm just gonna just roll this one up here, and I'm pinning it down right here with my pin. Gently I'm going to go in, let it go in, and let it come out. So I have this here. So we're going to come to the middle parts like this. You just roll like you did for the previous one, neatly mash the 2 together and pin, right? And pin. So we're going to pin together. So the 2 are matched already. So we have this for the 2. The last flap, we're going to go again, round again. Should we go like this, or I should go I just think you should come like this, right? Yeah, let it come like this and let join. I'm going to pick 1 from the middle to meet this one I'm holding, then join with pin, and I should be having something like this. Yeah, I think it's nice like this. So this is the result. If you have a yard Ankara material, you can try this style out. And no now this is giving like a nice, mature, simple, and still beautiful one, right? Earring, and we have this. You can decide to shift it backward, adjust, and the result is